Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. We're currently short Euro JPY, so I'll keep you updated on that position, see how that plays out. Okay guys, just before London Open, we pulled back to the 1 hour 50, rejected it, but we're still just roaming around break even, slight bit of profit. So we'll see within the next 45 minutes during when London opens how we react. Yeah, still bearish, still looking not too bad, but yeah, only time will tell, and we'll keep you updated. Okay guys, stopped out of this one as well, so now we're down I think about 8%. I'll double check on the funded account. Not good. Yeah, we're getting close to the maximum drawdown, so if there's any trades this week, hopefully we can take them, and the larger risk reward will help us get out of this position. But yeah, not ideal. Another 2 back-to-back losses. I like this trade from a technical standpoint, but yeah, another loss. Also, what I've decided to do recently, I've bought and found the old community, the guy that used to run the community, main trader. I found that he's running his own community, trading the exact same style that I'm trading, so it's positive, so we're all on the same page. And what I've decided to do yesterday is buy and be part of that community, because that should advance my learning. There's lots of positions on reflection when I've looked at the trades that they're in. They've had positive months. I'm not. So although we're trading the same strategy, I've now bought that so it can improve my learning, because if we're all trading the same style, we're all looking at the same things. And what I've found is a lot of the trades that I've been taking, yes, they've been part of technically it's part of the strategy. They've been avoiding some of those trades and not been taking those losses because they're not as highly probable. So it should be good. They've got an insights coming out in a couple of hours time, so I'm going to do my watch list now for next week, and then I'm going to compare whether I've got the same trades on watch, and hopefully by being in this community, I'll let you guys know how it is. But like I said, they're trading the same style, so hopefully by being part of that, I can improve my learning, avoid taking lower probability setups. I'm still trading the same style as what I'm trading now, and yeah, it's positive. So hopefully I can improve from doing that.
Tidy week for the swing trading opportunities. 2 positions for me, 8.9% banked. Coming up to the daily 50MA is a very decent target, and I do see price achieving that.
So yeah, as you can see, I've got all these lessons to go through. You get weekly content, you get daily watch list, technical analysis, and you got the learning part here, so you can go through all the insights that he's looking at for the week. You've got recaps, you've got live streams, live webinars that you can join. So hopefully by being in this community, it can avoid and help improve my learning, and that's what I want, and that's why I'm documenting it on this channel, showing everything. And yeah, hopefully we can improve and stop taking lower probability trades, get into the trades that he's in and other people in the community that are profitable are in, and slowly but surely in the coming months improve, stop making silly mistakes, and progress. As you can see, this position that we lost, in the community that I was in, the reason why they didn't take this position is because although we got the rejection, which is again part of the strategy of the daily 50, and we got the breakdown, what I learned was the way price bullishly came up to this level, the volume coming into this level isn't necessarily as probable. And also, if you look at the daily, although we've rejected with a nice bearish candle for that day, we've gone away, we've gone away from the area that we want to be in. So if this would close like around here, you've still got plenty of risk reward, and we haven't gone away from the area of value that we want to be in, which is why they avoided that trade. So like I said, although it's part of my strategy and a part of, if you look at fundamentally and technically what you would look for, technically it is, but the reason why they avoided it and avoided an unnecessary 1% loss was because it's already moved away from that area. And when we broke down, although we did break down on the 4 hour and 1 hour, making a new low in the market, the way we approach, that's the biggest thing I've taken away from already, is the way you come up to that area. If it slows down, decelerates, doji candles, less volume, and then we get a rejection, that's different. But if I look back, we had not much volume come into the market at the key confluence, and we also, the way we came to that level was with a lot of momentum, quite bullish. So yeah, those are the little things, although you know the strategy, those little fundamental small details which can affect avoiding small losses and avoiding lower probability setups. So hopefully going into next week when I do my watch list and I find out exactly what I'm looking at and comparing it to them, it's one thing knowing what you're doing, but there's another thing avoiding small unnecessary losses that you just shouldn't be taking because of lower probability setups. This weekend I've gone over all the material, all the strategies, and like I said, in terms of strategy, I know the strategy, so I know exactly why I'm entering, where I'm entering. But there's although it's mechanical, you do this when this happens, and when this happens, you break down, you look for this. There's mechanical, but there's also a lot of discretion that comes in to avoid those small losses, and I think that's what's happened on this challenge. A lot of trades, some of the trades that I won, they took as well. So we took the same trades, which was good confirmation. But there's also lots of times where, like I said, I'm entering trades that are just lower probability. And if I keep entering lower probability setups, yeah, you can get some wins and there's a small edge. But overall, you're not setting yourself up to take and have a higher strike rate and also good risk reward. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys know, like I said, how this goes. I'm going to focus on this community, put everything into it. Like I said, I know the strategy. We're trading, everyone in this community is trading the same thing. So any small mistakes I make, I can obviously document on here, but also speak to them about it and go, okay, I've got someone directly I can speak to and everyone else trading the exact same style. And they're getting good results. This month they've had, I think he said 8.9% so far. Well, last month, I think. But it's possible and it's there. And I just need to tweak some small things, looking for, you know, better opportunities, making sure that I'm avoiding these small, stupid losses. Although the strategy's there, they should be avoided because of the negatives that occur with that certain setup. So yeah, I'm quite positive moving forward. Again, I document it all on this channel. And hopefully by being in this community, I can improve. And I'm glad that I found the guy that used to run the old community back when I was trading in 2018, 2019. He's got his own company doing it now. So it's a small community. He doesn't really promote too much. I don't think he wants genuine people to learn. And hopefully I can improve and show on this channel that, you know, sometimes the difference between a good month and a bad month is sometimes a small couple decisions. You know, being down 3% or 4% in a month could be not taking that one trade and not taking those, say, 2 losses, but then taking a 4% winner, which I'd missed a 4% winner. So yeah, hopefully we can improve. I've done my watch list for this week, these pullback moves, potentially on the cards. So if we get entries for these, that'll be nice. I've also got trend continuation moves that I've got on watch. Where are they? They are here. So there's good opportunities for this week, which I'll document. Also going to lower my risk now because we're 8% down on the account. Not very good. I'm going to lower it to 0.5%, so it gives me that chance to bring it back. I saw a lot of the comments saying that as well, so I appreciate everyone commenting, liking and subscribing. Subscribe if you haven't already, so we can push this journey out to more people, showing a genuine real trader, trying to learn, trying to improve, trying to pass this funding account in front of everybody. But yeah, I've got the opportunities. And also what I found is when I'm trading, when I've done my watch list, now I've compared it to his watch list because he's just put out a weekly insights video showing what he's looking at for this week. There was a couple that I had on watch exactly the same. So that again confirms that I know what I'm seeing, the same things as him. But the other negatives are there was a lot on there that I have that he didn't, and he spoke about the reasons why he hasn't got them on watch. The reason why, because they're lower probability setups you have to watch out for. Although again, technically the strategy is there, there's also all of these negatives that surround that entry or surround that trade. So you need to be wary of that and be ready to avoid silly 1% losses and silly mistakes, which can take your month from a positive month to a negative month. Also, it just feels good being in the community of people that, and you know, that are successful, are making good percentage months, having good percentage months. They're also, a lot of them are funded. So it gives you that belief, because when you're sat here by yourself doing it, as much as you know it's possible, when you're literally seeing people day in, day out, they're breaking down their positions, they're saying why they didn't take that trade and why they picked this trade over that trade. It gives you that confidence and inner belief that, okay, no one else I know around me trades. No one, basically no one. A few couple of people, but no one really. None of my friends too much. They don't trade too much. So being around people that are doing it full time, are funded with 6 figures, it gives you that belief. And although I'm confident that I'll be successful at it, you know, there's a lot that I need to work on and a lot I need to improve on, and hopefully this community can help. So I'll keep you guys updated for the week, any trades that we take for next week, and I'll let you guys know how I'm doing in this community, how it's helping. And yeah, if you guys get value from these videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It would help the channel grow. And also stay tuned for next week's videos. I'll show you all the trades I take, any lessons I learn. And yeah, I appreciate the support on the videos, guys. You stopping by, it means a lot. So yeah, I'll see you in next week's video. Appreciate you guys.